Hi families! This quick video is going to show you how to deal with some of those rather annoying screen zooms that might happen on a Chromebook. So there are a lot of awesome tools on a Chromebook that allow you to quickly zoom in your screen. Unfortunately, sometimes this can be a little frustrating. Oftentimes, students don't even realize how they got themselves in this predicament. So please don't be upset. Usually, it's a shortcut of keys that they happen to hit and they didn't even realize that they were doing it. Good news is rather simple to solve. So the first way that someone can zoom in on a Chromebook is by actually using the touchpad. And if they take the touchpad and put two fingers down on the touchpad at the same time and spread those fingers apart, it will zoom in the screen. Notice how I've zoomed in my screen. This section doesn't zoom in quite, oh, there we go. Quite a bit of detail there. So in order to fix this, you would simply need to take those two fingers, put them back, make sure that they're both touching the touchpad, and then slide them together on that touchpad. Takes a little practice, but you'll get the hang of it. That's a fairly easy one to fix. The next thing that sometimes happens to students is they accidentally turn on one of the accessibility tools on the Chromebook. Chromebooks have a lot of awesome accessibility tools that help people better use Chromebooks, but they can be frustrating when they're not what you're looking for. In order to fix this or see if this tool is turned on, you would simply go down to the bottom right hand of the corner, click on the time, and then under the section that pops up, you'll find a little accessibility person. If you tap the accessibility person and scroll down through the list, you can scroll down by just dragging two fingers down, up and down at the same time on the touchpad. You'll be able to locate one of these turned on. Oftentimes it's a screen magnifier. So notice how frustrating this is. I can't really see things. I'm having a hard time moving around on the Chromebook. So in order to turn the screen magnifier off, you are simply going to take one finger and you will slide that finger down to move the screen down and slide that finger right or left until you get so that you can see the time pop back up. You will tap the time, go up to accessibility, and then simply uncheck that tool and your screen will return to normal. The last thing that might happen to individuals on a Chromebook could be that the screen resolution itself got changed. And in order to fix this, this is the least likely to happen. We are going to go into the time again. We're going to go up and click the gear for settings. And the easiest way I find to get to the resolution section is to simply type resolution in the search bar at the top. Once there, it'll tell me there's one result. I'm going to give it a moment to load, and I'm going to click on that result. And then down here, it is highlighted resolution, open display device settings. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'm going to show you real quick what that display might look like. So notice if I turn this into very large, things get abnormally large and it's kind of hard for me to see. If you click the back down arrow, you'll be able to see the size that your Chromebook originally started in. When you get to the size that the Chromebook is optimized for, that means built for, you're going to see the word native appear next to that. So I keep my Chromebook at the 1920 by 1080. I have a rather large Chromebook. Depending on your size or what you want, you may need to zoom in a little. However, unlike that regular zoom, this will keep all of those menus and things showing on your Chromebook like you would want them. So these are 3 quick ways to fix that annoying large screen that might happen on a Chromebook. Hopefully this solves your issue.